Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to cook for you chicken fried rice. So for that, here I have chicken pieces. I'm going to marinate them. Green peas, half an onion diced, 2 green chillies, spring onions and cabbage sliced. Apart from this, I also have fresh rice, which I basically made this last night and I kept it in the fridge. Look at it, doesn't this look nice and fluffy? So let's marinate the chicken first. Pouring a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of soya sauce, just a little bit. If you add too much, just make sure you decrease the amount of salt you use. Here I have garlic, onion powder, Italian seasoning, a little bit of garlic powder, lemon and pepper seasoning. There are no hard and fast rules of what spices you add. You can add them according to your taste. I'm adding a very little amount of salt because I already added soya sauce. Give this a good mix. So this is all mixed well. We could set it aside for a few minutes so that all the spices get absorbed. While that's marinating, we can heat up the pan and get frying. If the pan is nice and hot, we can add a little bit of oil. This is basically to fry the chicken. Whenever you make fried rice, just make sure the heat is on high and make sure you keep stirring it. This is nice and hot. We can add the chicken. Wow, it smells really good. We can let it cook for about a minute. Toss them around. Fried rice is basically very easy to make. It takes about 20 minutes once you have all the prep work done. Today I have some help with me. I have my friend Teresa helping me today. Thank you so much. With all the spices added to the chicken and it's been marinating for about 30 minutes before frying it, I can really get the smell of it. It's just yummy. Here I have the onions and the peppers. These are the green beans. A little bit of chicken, a little bit of veggies. Just makes it more rich. Here I have the cabbage. I really get some really good flavors. If you're still watching, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. With all these vegetables and the chicken and the few spices which I've already added, the colors of them are really coming out beautifully. Let's add a little bit of garam masala. This is one of my favorites. A little bit of chili powder, just a little. I don't have any Chinese salt. I've got regular salt. This should work. Just a little. And so I'm going to add more soya sauce. This is looking really, really yummy. Now we could add the rice. Here I have basmati rice. Look at it. It's really nice and fluffy. Whenever you make fried rice, just make sure your rice is nice and fluffy. Let's add a little bit of oyster sauce. Wow, it's really coming out good, guys. Here I got spring onions. This is fried rice. Chicken fried rice from Spicy Flavors. Can't get any better than this. Look at it. It's been a quick 20 minutes. Chicken fried rice, pretty fast. Let's check it out. This is delicious. I love it. Guys, if you love my video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.